Welcome to a video by Abron Expert. This is digital heating mantle with the digital control. This is on off indicator. This tells you the main current is coming and this tells you the load. See, this load is written. So load means heater is working. Here is also one more indicator here. It will glow. I'll show you the working. First, let me show you this. Buyer is asking for a beaker. So it is 1000 ml beaker where it is put here. But this is generally for flask. Most of the time it is used for flask because this has a capacity. But once it is used, this is a soft part, this is a silk yarn and embedded heater inside. Once you put it and burn it, heat it to the certain, say 100 degree or 200, it will create a shape, and then it will, you cannot change any instrument, like means you cannot change to flask, then you can change to beaker. No, that's not possible. You should use whatever is to be done with that. And this is a probe which is external one. In this particular we are giving external. We have another indicator also inside, another instrument is there, but this one is especially buyer is asking for external probe where you can put with the stand. You can use it as a stirrer also. You can use the external stirrer also for maintaining the temperature. I'll show you the working, but how to set the temperature. Now I switch on the heater. See this. This indicator tells you, the red indicator tells you that the heater is main current is coming. This tells you the load means this heater is going on. See this, load has switch off. Now the temperature is almost 40. I can change it to 45. See this, I can change it to 42, 43, 44, 45. Then I can push it. Now it will maintain 45 degree maximum. But since the probe is in the solution, the outside temperature may be more, but the solution temperature will not be more than 45. It will be switching on immediately. You have to stir it, but mostly the heating mantle is used for 100 or 150 degree. This particular bar is asking for 300. This particular is 300 degree mantle is there. So this digital can take up to 300 degree. So this is heating and going on. So I would recommend you to use it on the lower, and then I am just putting it back to 40. Switch on 36 and 40. Now it is 40. Now see this indicator will start giving you heat also again. See this heating has started, this has started, it has off. So slowly it will start off and on, off and on. So here is our website. Our website is abronexports.com. This is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 99922222049 is +91 is India. +91 9416020001 and another WhatsApp number. Abron Export, you can send orders. These are our visiting cards. Suction Jan and Sanjay Jan both are there. You can see, and this working is there. Please be careful. This is, I am switching it off since this is new and it is going to the buyer. So I don't want to make it black. Once it is used, the whole of, see this inside, you can see the changes are coming. See, these changes are coming. So once it is heated to 100 degree or 200, this silk yarn will become black, and then you don't need to disturb it, otherwise this can short. So it is having insulated outside. This is all stainless steel power coated. Stand is also, it is fitted inside, and then we have the thermometers also, digital thermometer also. We have the other instruments. We have the heating mantle also without thermostat, which comes with the energy regulator. Please visit the website, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.